Hi everyone, welcome back to Lindalibraloca. My name's Anne and I'm passionate about sharing beauty tips and tricks for people with more mature skin. As there's a new season just around the corner, spring is waiting for us and I personally just can't wait, I decided to look into the new trends that are coming for spring and summer and see how I can adapt the sometimes kind of out there looks for me, my age and my personal life. And because I think that many of you have the same issues, that the look looks great on the runway but not that great when you transfer it to your everyday life, I thought I'd take you with me on my journey. And this is actually the first look. This is an easy eye with a red lip, but I kept the red lip very soft, very easy, very effortless look. So I think it looks youthful. It's great to ease into red lips if you personally aren't that comfortable with them. And yeah, it's really fun. If you're new here, consider subscribing. The button is down below, but without further ado, let's jump right in, or let me zoom you in. To save us some time, I already did my base, and because I'm using quite a full coverage foundation whenever I film, I opted for the Pixi Rose Flash Balm, which is kind of a hydrating primer that gives back a little bit of glow, because I think with these kind of looks, a little glowy, dewy, natural skin is best. And then my filming combo at the moment, half the ordinary coverage and half Estee Lauder Double Wear, because this is a tad too dark for me and this is a tad too glowy for me, but mixed together, perfect combination. Then I powdered down, I did my brows, and now we're going to do the eyes. First things first, I always prime my eyelids, and I'm using the Urban Decay primer potion for that, but to be honest, I think any kind of primer would work. Most of them just help the eyeshadows stay a little longer and be more vibrant. And to be fair, it helps with if you have more mature eyes. As it is often the case, the easy eyes are the ones that take the most effort. And I'm going to start with a variety of gray and brown eyeshadows. I'm going to use this one, and this one. And these are all dupable colors. These are all limited edition by MAC, and I will have the names down in the description box. But the first thing I'm going to do is just apply the gray one all over my mobile lid, because this is the base color. I feel like I need a base because I have some veins and discoloration on my eyelids that I want to cover. And this is just my lids but better. This is all even the term color. So all over the mobile lid and a little bit above my crease. As you can see, it looks like barely nothing. Then I'm using a smaller shader brush and this color here, which is just a little bit darker and a little bit more warm, and apply that on the lower third of my mobile lid for kind of a gradient effect. This is the color that we are going to blend the dark brown into, and it makes the eyes a little bit more interesting if you have two kind of colors going on. So now you have a soft gradient that you barely notice if you're not really close up, but that I find makes the difference in these eyes. Then I'm going for this darker brown shade, and I'm using one of these brushes. This is actually a liner brush, and use it as a liner on the upper lash line, just everywhere, and stay really, really close to the roots here. This is brown, so it won't look as harsh, more natural than a black line, which is what I usually opt for. And then you take this liner brush and pull a little upwards flick. It doesn't have to be neat, doesn't have to be opaque, because now we're going to go back in with the brush, which still has some other eyeshadow left, and start smudging over. You could of course use a dedicated smudger brush for that, but I only have one that is kind of harsh. And blend inwards, not downwards, that would take your eyes down. And that way you soften the line, blend it into the color that's on top, and add some shape and definition to your eyes, which is really important if you have light eyes, light features like I have. So this really shaped the eyes, it lifted the eyes, and now all I think is needed is a ton of mascara. And of course, curled lashes. I'm going to use my beloved Pixi by Petra Black Lacquer Lash Primer for some volume, and then top up with this Milk Makeup Ubame Mascara. Adds enough drama for my personal liking, because I like a big lash if I just have soft eyes. And now it's time to move on to blush. And sorry, this looks gross, but it's amazing. This is one of the Max Factor Miracle Touch Creamy Blushes in the shade Cardinal, no, Soft Candy, which is actually pretty red. and I'm going to dab that on my cheek and blend it in for a very, very natural flush cheek situation. And then finally, the scary part, the lips. I think if you are not comfortable with red lips, opt for a gloss. This one is a MAC Viva Glam lip glass, and it's the Cindy one, so yeah, it's really, really old, but I love the color. Any more glossy color will do, and then you just apply it to the center of your lip and blend it out with a finger for a softer look. If you dab it in with your fingers, the edges may look kind of blurry, but that's kind of what the whole look is about. Effortless, not as if you've tried, no harsh line, lip liner and perfection, but just this easy and yeah, summery spring makeup look. And that's the first look done. I hope you enjoyed it. Please tell me in the comments below if this is something that you would wear, or even better, if you recreate the look. Tag me on Instagram, send me your pictures, I'd love to see them. Click the like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to see you all very soon with another video. Bye!